None of that too cool for school. Wait till you throw down. I need somebody to get in. You know what I'm saying? The crowd, if you like what you see, you start clapping. You know what I'm saying? Get involved. Hold on. Stop. There are no costume changes. This is a battle. It's not theater. This is a battle.
Don't make the DJ mad and play Sesame.
He gonna play Sesame Street. He gonna play polka music. And y'all ain't gonna be able to groove to nothing. Y'all, I don't even know how to pop to this. Like
Harry Potter right now. Pokemon.
See, there you go. Alright, so when he starts playing, I need somebody to throw down before I start throwing down and beat all of y'all. I don't play. Alright, DJ Zobi, let's get it. Apache, this is classic right here. This is classic right here. Y'all better take this. Okay, there go. Gentlemen, we got a battle right here, gentlemen. Come on, guys, clap. That's footwork, though. When the skills came up. Alright, give it up. That was tight, that was gonna be close, man. Alright, so we cut that. Let's get into this decision making. All right, on my right side, if y'all was feeling it, make some noise as loud as you can for Squadron Ace. Let's hear it. And to our left, everybody give some noise up for some Fungara and Rock Lee are here today. Alright, we're gonna do one more time. One more time. I go with that. Squadron Ace, make some noise. From Gara and Rock Lee, make some noise. The brothers is calling it. That goes from Gara and Rock Lee.
Oh, yeah!
I'm going off of what the older pros is telling me. You know what I'm saying? From Gara and Rock Lee.
Okay.